Can't use Grok because of the high demand error? Let me show you a quick and easy fix. First, switch your internet connection. Turn off Wi-Fi and use mobile data, or switch back to Wi-Fi and check again. Next, long press on the Grok app and tap on App Info. Now go to Storage Usage. Tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary files. Then tap on Clear Data and confirm it. After that, go back and tap on Permissions. Make sure all permissions are set to Allow. Now exit and open your Play Store or App Store. Search for Grok. If you see an update option, update the app. Once done, open the Grok app again. Type something and check if it's working properly. Your problem should now be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.